Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talk about ransomware. And basically, we had a video a couple of weeks ago talking about how in 2022 and early 2023, payments had been going down and things seem to go in the right direction. But the latest reports seem to show that 2023, it reversed and it's back up to some of the biggest payments ever. Ransomware actually racked in $1.1 billion to all of the different threat actors out there, the different groups that are actually trying to get money from this. It is a business. And here's a chart. This chart shows actually all the different groups out there that are known and their average payment with kind of bubble size, if you want. And, well, the 2023 ransom payments broke an ultimate record at 1.1 billion. It's the highest year ever. There's never been a year with so much payment. And a lot of the payments were really, really big, into the millions of dollars for some of the companies that actually, and services, a lot of them government agencies that had been hit with ransomware, and well, no way to fix it because no backup. And it's very interesting. I was talking about this with a someone that works in a big company, and talking how difficult it is to maintain the stability of a system and prevent ransomware, because often, when you're big, there's different agencies and different companies that actually have these, protection services, and it's all kind of in blocks. And if one gets hit, well, now sometimes it can actually spread to all the other parts. So it's very, very difficult to maintain a trusted network. So very interesting to see that ransomware still up there. And guess what? What is the number one way that you get ransomware? It is still through email. Once again, email attachments and email links of all sorts are the number one reason people are getting this. And think about these big companies. I say it, antivirus serves no purpose for most viruses. Well, these big companies have all the big gun antivirus that you can have in security. It still didn't prevent them from getting hit by ransomware. So don't forget, your antivirus doesn't do much. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.